The ocean has always hidden more than it has shown. People are used to thinking that they have studied the surface of the Earth, but 80% of the world's ocean remains unexplored. There, in the dark depths where sunlight does not penetrate, there may be creatures that have no place in our classifications. 5 years ago, a research team set out to the Pacific Ocean to study deep-sea trenches. Their goal was one of the most mysterious regions, the Tonga Trench, reaching 10.8 kilometers deep. They lowered a bathyscaphe equipped with cameras and sensors into the abyss, hoping to capture new species of fish and corals. But what they saw was beyond explanation. At a depth of over 10,000 meters, the cameras recorded movement. Among the rocky formations, something was wriggling, a multitude of small, squirming silhouettes with a red glow inside. They moved in unison, like a swarm, but looked as if they were part of something larger. After a few minutes, the equipment suddenly stopped transmitting a signal. The bathyscaphe, which was supposed to withstand immense pressure, was lost. No search operation was successful. Scientists called this incident the deep failure and preferred not to discuss it further. 5 years later, on one of the deserted beaches along the coast, something happened that reminded everyone of that expedition. That morning did not promise anything unusual. A surveillance camera set up on the beach to capture the tides recorded the first rays of sunlight, soft waves lazily rolling onto the shore. And then, movement. Strange creatures crawled out of the water. Their bodies were black, smooth, as if covered in slime. Their tentacles moved quickly, leaving traces in the sand. But the most terrifying thing was that they glowed from within. A red light shone through their bodies, resembling something organic, yet at the same time, unnatural. They did not move chaotically. On the contrary, all their actions seemed coordinated, as if they were searching for something on land. Or trying to escape from something in the water. After a few minutes, the creatures froze. Then, as suddenly as they had appeared, they turned and disappeared into the ocean. The camera footage became the only evidence of their existence. When scientists arrived at the site, they found not a single trace. What made these creatures rise from the depths? Why did they leave so quickly? And most importantly, if they were trying to escape, what remained down there, in the depths? The ocean kept its secrets. But now one of them had surfaced.